So, Judi, Oscar-winning Dame Dench decides it would be a jolly good idea to christen the new Carnival Legend cruise ship. There is pomp and circumstance, lords and ladies, Judi is prim and proper for the dashing captain. Only one thing could go wrong. At any rate, Judi decides to have another go at it, only this time it's the hands-on approach. But our undeterred Judi is not leaving without a smashing success, and we can't resist saying it. Dame Dench gets drenched.
You came and looked and loved the view, long known and loved by me. Green Sussex fading into blue, with one grey glimpse of sea.